some explanation how to understand. Now the explanation of the state function. Now pressure is a state function. This is on volume is on x-axis, pressure on y-axis. Now this is a state A. This is a state B. Now three paths are there. Path 1, path 2, path 3. It means state system present at stage A or state A. This will be converted to B from this path, and this straight another third path. Now consider at this one point here you have 2 atmosphere pressure. Here we have 6 atmosphere pressure. At this stage and at this stage. Okay. Now at this stage we have volume. This is considered 4 liter. This is 2 liter. Now the change. Now I am taking the change in volume. V, change in volume. If change in volume, how much? That is 2. 4. It means generally volume change is V2 minus V1. 4 minus 2, how much? 2 liter. Now if you take for path 1 also change in volume 2. Path 2 also change in volume 2. Path 3 also change in volume. This gap is 2 only for 1, 2, 3. Therefore, in any direction, state function means whatever, it depends on its initial and final state, but it is independent of how it is carried out. How it is carried out in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. So it do not depend on its path. It depends on what is the initial and final stage. If you take the pressure, pressure also what is there? Delta P, change in pressure, that is P2 minus P1. P2 how much is final? It means pressure increases this direction, volume increases this direction. So 6 minus 2, it means this is 6 minus 2, that is how much? 4 atmosphere. So for any path, the change in pressure how much? 6. Therefore, pressure, volume, temperature, internal energy, all thermodynamic properties are which one? State function. But now take to this system we are supplying some energy, that is in the form of heat. Take the one rod, iron rod, another is a long wire. This is state A, this is state B. Another long wire you can connect to up to here. Then to this required amount is greater, to this required amount is less because it's smaller, and this if you take the wire like this and connect it to this, then this A to B it required more energy because it is length. Therefore, otherwise, for example, any big building is a number of floors, then if you go to the final floor, then by steps it required energy is more, by lift it required energy is less. So it depends on the how you are carried out. It means it depends on the path. So work and heat. Now work is what is that? From ground floor to final floor we are going to through what you call lift, and there is by steps. By steps required work is more, and by lift required energy and work is less. Therefore these are depends on the path. So path function and another is state function. State function depends on initial final stage, but path function depends on how it is carried out. Only two are there. Path function, one is heat, another is work. So you remember the path function. Remember which one? State function. This is one of the remembering shortcut. Only remember the path function. One is heat, another is work. Remaining all maximum are state function. Okay. After that, internal energy. Internal energy denoted with the U letter. Internal energy is a definition. It is sum of SUM, not SOME. It is a sum of all possible kinds of energy present in a system. Generally, when you talk about the chemical system, then a new term is required, that is internal energy, because the system may lose or gain the energy. So what type of energy that is? It is contain whole energy. It means all types of energy. Therefore, this internal energy is a sum of kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, another is mechanical energy, another is electrical energy, plus vibrational energy, translational energy, rotational energy, bond energy, like this number of etc. These all, simply it is called sum of all these energy is the sum of all these is 1 minute. Sum of all these is energy of the system. This is known as internal energy, denoted with the U. This is known as which one? Internal energy, denoted with the U letter. We cannot find the exact energy, the internal energy. Always we will find out the change in energy. Therefore, in our syllabus, delta U will be given. That is called change in internal energy. This change in internal energy, it means internal energy can be changed. Internal energy can be changed. One is heat, maybe heat passes into or out of the system. Q mean what is that? Heat. Heat passes into or out the system. This is a system. It may lose, it may gain. So into mean gain, out mean loss. Into or out the system. Another one is W. Work may done. Work done on or by the system. This is a system. On this work is done, or it may done. It is done mean by the system. On this done mean this is on the system. Work done on the system or by the system. Then internal energy will be changed. Another one is matter. Matter may in or out. It means it may add it to the system or it may be leaves to the system. I wrote the simple word may in or out to the system. So by these three we can change the internal energy. So what is the internal energy formula? What is the unit? Energy mean it is kilojoule per moles. So internal energy units are, what is it? Joule. Generally per mole we are calculating. Therefore in our chemistry generally is kilojoule per mole. Kilocalorie per mole or calorie per mole, joule per mole, like this also may be calculated. So this is the internal energy unit. So what is the formula for this? Now we will see about this. Now internal energy is which one? Extensive property. Extensive property. First one. Second one is it is a state function. It is a state function. Now this internal energy can be changed by heat, work and matter, maybe in or out, or work done maybe on or by the system. Next, internal energy formula. Delta U is equal to delta U by dt into dt plus delta U, that is in the form of internal energy, by dV into dV. This is the internal energy formula. This formula applicable for all system and all substance. This is what you have to note down. This formula applicable for all system and all substances. Okay. Now, in our thermodynamic chapter, we are dealing about the maximum for ideal gas. Already you may be learned in the states of matter. So, for ideal gas, unless until given in your question, you have to follow this is ideal gas respect to formula only. So, delta U is equal to du, this capital U, by dt into dt plus this volume change for ideal gases is negligible, that is constant. Therefore, dV is equal to 0 for ideal gases. 0 into something, that is 0. Therefore, delta U is equal to this part, du by dt is nothing but Cv, and this is dt. This is a formula for ideal gases. This formula only appear in your textbook. Okay. So, Cv means what is that? Heat capacity at constant volume. It is known as heat capacity at constant volume. When volume is constant, means that change in volume is 0. Okay. For example, this is one test tube or any beaker consider. In this, we have, it is closed now. It is closed. When you close, volume is, for example, 1 or 2 ml consider. Then it will not escape out. Then volume is remain constant. Final, initial and final state, if you calculate, the volume is 2 ml, means final state also 2 ml. 2 minus 2, how much? 0. Volume is constant. When volume is constant, there's something multiplied also 0. Therefore, Cv, this value du by dt, that is called Cv. Why we call this is Cv means that you will know next. Don't worry. So this is a formula, Cv into dt. This is internal energy formula at constant volume. Cv means what is heat capacity at constant volume. So this is for ideal gases. Okay. So other than this, for internal energy, you have to remember this formula and units. This is total, what we call already may be given, that is kilojoule per mole. This is the internal energy unit. Okay. This is about the state function. Now I given for ideal gas, you may apply for liquid, you may apply for solid or for real gases also. So I am not, this formula applicable for all substances, mean real, solid, liquid, gas, everything for all process, mean it may be reversible or irreversible process, that you will know next.